everyone, welcome back to RachandBellaCrafts. Rachel here. We also have an extra special guest with us today, Bella, who is here to do her demonstrations on her ephemera and embellishments for the Alice journal. So you will see a couple of examples at the beginning, and then after each example she will explain obviously the outcome and how she did it. Hope you enjoy the video.
These are the finished products that we've made with the hearts and the print. And I put the gold ink around the edge, and we cut them out from pieces of book page.
How are you going to use those in the journal?
These are the stamps I've used, if anyone's interested. How am I going to use them? I'm going to put them on possibly on a cluster, or I was thinking mainly on a belly band or something like that, or even on the bottom of a signature page.
Excellent. Okay, great. Should we go on with the next demonstration then?
Certainly. Well, this is the finished product, and this is how they've turned out. I think it turned out quite nicely. And I put that one in there because it's peeping through the keyhole. And that one is the keyhole. So, and as you can see, there's gold around the edging. And we use the book page. We've layered it, and you could use them in clusters. You can use them in belly bands. You can put them on the bottom of a pocket. And also I've made a little notelet so that that can go in a pocket, and then you can put those on there. Make smaller ones, I would, and then they could fit on there nicer.
Excellent. Okay. They're really cool, aren't they?
Yeah, I was pleased with them. Yeah, and I made some plain ones so you can put, you know, whatever you want on them. I got the idea from Corey Denman, and I was just fascinated. It just got me going. So thank you, Corey.
They remind us as well, don't they, of the
going down the rabbit hole.
Yes, in Alice
yes, going down the rabbit hole. Yes, definitely, spiraling down the hole.
All right, on with our next demonstration.
Moving on, this was the next thing we did, and this was the letter A for Alice. And we cut out from paper, note paper, and also from music paper, which I think was nicer actually. And I used this stamp. I think I bought this in Hobbycraft in Great Britain, and there's the number on there, and that's what they looked like before so that was rather nice. So what I thought I'd do is put them on, actually this one, what did I do? Oh, there it is. We had some little stamps. I don't know whether you can see that. And I stamped an A on there for Alice. Okay. And made a little notelet. And that one there is one of these. And I've made using this line dot arrow, which kit. And I've just stapled that on, put some papers in. You can put them on anything, actually. You can put those little ones on, you know, a corner pocket or something like that. Whatever takes your fancy.
Excellent. Okay, on with the next one.
These are the ones we'd made earlier, Blue Peter style. I just want to say that I did this on the and I put them on book page, and actually it's made it a bit stiff because I used the what do I do with it, Rach?
Matte medium.
Matte medium, that's right. And it's made it very stiff. So, and the same with the teapot. So I don't know whether I do that again. I know we've done them on these, but we're going to use these as pockets. So if you want to use them as pockets, they will be a bit stiffer, which is good. And the same with the cups. So if you want to use them as, make them stiff, obviously. But for these tiny ones, which I was going to place on, I think they would have been okay because this material is quite firm. So, and this is our Alice material that I bought yesterday. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Right. So that's those. That's the little teapot.
So how did you get the shape for those?
Oh, I went online and on images, and I went and I printed off different sizes of the teapot, and the same with the teacups. And as you can see, there are 2 different sizes of teacups. Now we're going to put these, I believe, are we, Rachel?
Yeah.
On, where are you going to put it on Facebook?
In the Facebook group, in the files section, along with the other freebie
So
files.
these will be there for you to use, or you can go on to images, find a fancier cup if you want, and make them as fancy as you like. But that's what I've used anyway, and it was nice. The reason I use these is because they're so easy to cut around. If you use the fancy ones, you're going to be fiddling trying to cut around the edge of the cup. So that's those, and that was those, and this is the large teapot. This is the first one I made. I mean, I prefer that one, and Rachel prefers that side. So, but this is a quilted one, which is really, this is your latest quilt, isn't it?
Yeah.
And she just loves this. I think it would be nice if it had been inked around, but I didn't want to spoil it because it would make it look more vintagey. So we're thinking about that, whether we'll actually ink around the edge there. Not sure where you're going to use this, Rach, do you?
Not
You've
yet.
got an idea yet?
Yeah, a bit
okay.
of it, yeah.
This one obviously will you can glue that down onto a page or glue it wherever you like, really, or make a big pocket. I don't know, but we can. The thing is with images, if you drop them down onto Word, then you can make them whatever size you want, and that's what I did. I made a bigger one, as you will see, and the tiny one.
And there's a little one there, isn't
and there's a little, oh yes, I've got another one there. These are drying, by the way, so that's why I haven't cut them out. And you can make them whatever size you want. It depends what you're using them for. Bear that in mind. But as I say, these were really firm after putting it on this material with the, oh, there's my nice bit of lace I bought yesterday as well. So it's up to you. So I hope you enjoy it and you've had fun. And we'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.